access to fresh and healthy food is a luxury, malnutrition is a prevalent issue. This year, estimated 22.4% or 25.24 million Filipinos whose poverty incidence or per capita income was not sufficient to meet their needs for non-food and food needs as per Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA. Sectors from farmers and fisher folks remain the poorest in the country in terms of basic food and non-food needs. When there is poverty among primary producers of food, malnutrition and undernutrition exacerbated this condition. How can we feed growing population, especially children, with good nutrition? The 57 years old is the average Filipino farmers. How can we ensure sustainable access to food other than importation in years to come? Our solution: Sustainable Plantbox Starter Kit. First, set up greenhouse germination for integrated hydroponics system for climate change resistant germination and growing high-value crops. Second, we help households save money from daily expenses, both in urban and rural areas, to produce sustainable garden for food consumption and high-value crops for additional income. Our starter kits composed of organic substrate, nutrient solution, seeds, manual, DIY greenhouse design. We also offer hands-on seminar for sustainable farming. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet rural area, our kit is designed to be easy to use and efficient. It's not just about growing plants, it's about growing hope. Our community founded in 2022. It started with joining as part of the Top 10 RSC competition, organized by New Nexus Philippines. We were also part of the incubates of Cohort ISKO Cohort 4 by Upgrade Ino Lab. We were recipient of an award given by CBO Bytes as Best Community Engagement Startup last March, 2024. We are currently on the process of patent of one of our innovations for the substrate for high-value crops. We build sustainable communities. We are composed of sustainability advocates, agriculturists, farmers, urban hydroponics growers. By enabling local production of high-value crops, we're addressing food security and nutrition. We're empowering individuals, transforming communities, and taking a stand against poverty, food insecurity and climate change. Join us in our mission to create a healthier world, one plant box at a time.